Are you ready to be a frontline hero in a huge corporation while working remotely from home? Well, I have an awesome opportunity for you guys. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. This is a huge opportunity as a remote customer service customer center representative with ADT. This is a great opportunity for those of you who are desiring to get into the remote workforce and possibly having some challenges. The great thing about this opportunity is that it is something that you can get into. It's 100% remote with the exception of your training. So a little bit about ADT. This company is widely known as one of the nation's top security companies. It's highly stable and has been around for a very long period of time. So in terms of job stability and security, this is the ideal organization for you. A little bit about the roles or the responsibilities of this role. You'll be responsible for responding to dispatches and emergency signals. Answering incoming calls, I think that's very common in terms of customer service jobs. You will be required to actually be productive and adhere to the productivity standards as well as the quality standards. This position does require some weekend, holidays, and shift work and may require mandatory overtime. The great thing about that is if you're looking to make some money, and here's the opportunity to make some money with overtime. They also ask that you be able to notify customers of non-emergency signals as well as responders on the emergency signals after the dispatch. This is a great opportunity for those of you that are interested in customer service or has worked in customer service for a period of time. Keep in mind that this is an opportunity that you have to make sure that you're aware of policies in addition to all these other things. All of these things will be provided to you, I'm pretty sure, in their cohesive training, but definitely something that you should consider if you are looking for an opportunity in customer service. So don't sleep on this opportunity. I'm sure that it won't be out there very long. If you're interested, you definitely want to jump on it as soon as possible. But a little bit more about this role. They do require that you have some familiarity with computers and Microsoft Office applications and the internet. If you don't have that wealth of experience or need it, I'm sure that you can find it fairly inexpensive or possibly free on YouTube or on the internet. In addition to that, you will need a knowledge of company policies, procedures, guidelines, and practices, as well as an understanding of the VIP accounts and departments. Many of those things, if not already known, you possibly will be provided in training. So don't be alarmed, but definitely hone in on these things if you have a deficit in any way. Regarding the skills, they want a self-motivated and professional attitude. So if you are a person that's self-motivated, don't need a lot of help, then this is a job for you. They want a person with team building, customer service, and interpersonal skills. You have to be able to make good decisions with skills and be very organized and detail-oriented. I think that these are very standard recommendations or requirements that they have. Not to mention, no matter which organization you're working with, they all have minimum requirements. And here they have productivity standards and quality standards, which they are expecting for you to meet at a minimum. Regarding your abilities, which is very interesting, you need to be able to work overtime. So if you're asked, you need to be able to work. You have to have discretion and problem solving, as well as work with others well. If you are a loner and you don't work well, this may not be the opportunity for you. You have to be able to effectively present information to management. You have to be able to do that and write routine reports and correspondence. They're also highlighting here that you must have the ability to concentrate on a task over a period of time without being distracted. So if you're working remotely, you want to make sure that you have the ability to be totally focused for this role. Physical demands, asking for the basics in terms of being able to stand, walk, sit, twist, use your hands, and push and pull in your own workspace because you are working remotely. The ability to move from 10 to 25 pounds is a demand. and you have to have the ability of sight in this job. They are making accommodations for those of you that have disabilities. So if you're disabled, this is a great opportunity for you as well. The work environment, pretty much you have to think in terms of your normal office and your home office. So it should be consistent with what you are familiar with. Now, the minimum qualifications, they're asking for a high school diploma and a GED and 1 to 3 months of relative experience or related training or certification. Guys, this means that if you don't even have the experience, as long as you've been trained or have the relevant certifications, you qualify for this particular role. It doesn't require a whole lot in terms of getting in there, and this company is huge. So there's a great likelihood that you can get into this company in this role and acquire additional skills along the way and promote and move into different areas. I'm going to be providing you with some information and different opportunities within ADT so that you can see that there are a lot of opportunities. Now, this job pay range is $17.49 an hour. Keep in mind, guys, that you do have the ability to work overtime, which makes this a great opportunity to make additional monies. In addition to the pay, this particular role pays healthcare benefits, 401k, and they have company match. They are also offering short-term and long-term disability coverage, as well as life insurance and well-being benefits, plus paid time off. You can accrue up to 120 hours in the first year. This is awesome. So how good is that job? Now, this is a great job as a remote customer service call center representative with ADT. I hope that you guys find this very valuable. And if you are interested or you know anyone that is interested or qualified for this particular role, then go to the ADT website and go where it says Join Our Talent Network and apply for this job. I think that it will be a waste for anybody to not apply if you're interested. Not to mention, it's a great segue into possibly a very long-lasting, fulfilling career. Definitely give it a shot. And even if you think that you don't meet all the qualifications, you meet some and you're interested, go for it. And remember, as a customer service representative at ADT, you'll play a crucial role in helping families feel safe and secure in their homes. Whether it's troubleshooting technical issues, guiding customers through their security systems, or providing peace of mind during emergencies, your dedication and expertise will make a difference every day. Until next time.